Today we're going to be removing the stock cage and installing new cage over there. First thing you need to do is remove all these T30s in here, these covers, and back in here, and it'll give you access to the bolts to unbolt the cage. Then you can lift it off. In order to remove this panel right here, you're also going to have to remove this inner panel and the fuel filler neck. And once you remove all that, you can go ahead and unbolt your cage. 2 bolts here, 3 bolts here, 4 bolts here, 2 bolts here. And once you have all those removed, you can go ahead and lift the cage off. Since I'm here by myself today, I'm doing the cherry picker method. And let's go ahead and get this thing off. And now you're pretty much ready to install your new cage. So since this is a 2021, I'm gonna have to remove this bracket. I'm gonna cut right down here on this plate and along this weld, and then back in here. You gotta be really careful on this side because your gas tank is right here. You don't want anything to happen. And that's it. Now you just put a flapper wheel on your grinder and clean this up. Clean up this, touch it up with some paint, and you're ready to put the cage on. Well, I dropped my camera and cracked the lens, so I didn't get much video of the install, but it's pretty straightforward. Lift it up and set it on there, bolt it down, and you're done, ready to put the plastics back on. Just got to install the bumper, which we'll have to remove this pull plate here, and that's it. And that's the bumper installed. It just sets the whole thing off. And that's it. Thanks for watching.